Hi everyone, I'm Jason. I'm going to show you how to make hamburgers in the air fryer. Super simple, easy, probably a little bit healthier than frying in a pan. So in a second we're going to check that out. But if you could right now, please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it if you could. So let's get started. Alright, so we have 1.5 pounds of 80/20 hamburger, and we have some salt and pepper and some steak seasoning. All the measurements are in the description, so we're going to just mix this in. We're going to use our hands and mix it in thoroughly, and we're going to make our patties next. Alright, so there's 5 of us, so we're going to make 5 good-sized patties. We're going to put them out on this pan. So this happens to be a Cuisinart air fryer. One of these days I will do a review. So we're going to make these big enough to fill this up, our 5 patties. So depending on the size of your family and your air fryer, you're going to have to make adjustments. And here is the last one, and they're a little bit different, but we got a papa size one, baby size, yeah, you get it. So anyway, we are going to get this in the air fryer. We're going to cook it at 400 degrees, and we're going to go for 7 minutes, and then we're going to flip it. So let's get them in. Okay, 400 degrees Fahrenheit on air bay. 7 minutes. Whoops. And then we will check it out and flip it. Alright, that's been 7 minutes. Let's check these out. And there's some grease on the bottom. Looks like they're on their way to getting cooked. So we're going to take our spatula, flip them over. These look good. Alright, so obviously depending on how you like your burgers, you might want to adjust your time. I'm going to go 5 more minutes, then we're going to check the temperature to make sure we're nice and safe. So we are going to put these right back in. We're going to go 5 minutes and see where we're at. Alright, they are done. Let's take them out and check them out. Alright, so as you can see, these look delicious. They smell amazing. I put some foil on the bottom to help clean up. So I'm going to take the biggest one and we're just going to check the temperature here to make sure we're safe. So we are at 165 and climbing. So we are at the safe magic temperature. So we're going to throw some cheese on these while they're hot. Get that to melt. Alright, so I'm going to be test trying this one myself. Let's get a little ketchup on my bun. Mustard. Oh yeah. I'm hungry. Alright. Yeah, super good. This is so much easier than frying in a pan, sticking up your house. Just gonna have to lift this foil out and it's clean. So certainly recommend trying this if you have an air fryer. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.